lovely kids. Good morning. How are you all? I hope doing well. Yes, that's nice. Now today we are going to learn a new letter. And what is that? That is letter O. Which letter? O. Okay. First time for rhymes. Are you ready to do? Yes, very nice. Let's do with ma'am. Okay. Pretend to turn a light switch on and off. Okay. Like this way. On, off. Okay. Now it's that to light go on. Time for bed to light go off. Once more. Yes. Good. Now it's dark. The light go on. Time for bed. The lights go off.
Story name is Oliver Sees an Octopus. This is a story of a boy who loved animals and his name was Oliver. Oliver's father loved animals too. They have many pets. Oliver loved the pet ox and ostrich the most. One day, Oliver, along with his pet animals and father, went to a beach for a picnic. Oliver's mother packed oranges and olives for them. Oliver's father wore an orange-colored diving suit and went underwater. Oliver was having fun with his pet animals. Just then, his father came out of the water with a big surprise in his hand, and it was an octopus. Oliver and all the animals were surprised to see an octopus. They had never seen an octopus before. Oliver was very surprised to see a new animal and said loudly, "Ah, ah, 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 ah." Ox. Ostrich. Oranges. Olives. Octopus.
We have learned from the story and the rhymes the sound of letter O. Yes. And what is the sound of letter O? Yes. This is the sound of letter O. Now, did you enjoy my session? Yes? Very nice. Ma'am will meet you again in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.